do for dinner?
Turkey! Dude, what are you doing?
Oh my god! We're gonna hit it! Shit!
What the fuck? Oh my god! Why do animals do that?
I don't know!
Like, oh, they're stopping. I better run! Jesus Christ. That should be a turkey.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm closing that because I don't want a fucking turkey in the car!
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm telling everyone. I'm telling everyone.
Turn right onto
I know, we're like, oh my
god! Oh my
As if the fucking asshole decided to run. Like, oh my god!
We're gonna hit it!
I'm gonna flies up over the car. Oh my god, I'm so glad it didn't fall in.
That would be terrible!
Oh my god, can you imagine? I don't know what I would fucking do.
Like, get out of the car! What the hell? Well, oh my god.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
A turkey! A turkey!
I know.
You just keep normally driving, and then it's like, and then you're like, ah!
Oh my god. Oh shit.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Summer Street.
The car behind us was probably like, oh my god!
Yeah, like what the fuck just happened?